Hi, this is Glenn Merrill, forecaster with the National Weather Service in Salt Lake City. Today is Wednesday, December 18th, and this briefing will cover a tricky storm set to hit northern Utah tomorrow. The good news is that valley inversions look to break. We'll just have to go through a bit of a mess to do that. We're expecting four main impacts with this storm. Hazardous and icy travel conditions are expected to develop across the northern valleys after midnight tonight, then linger through the AM commute, with some freezing rain expected. We'll then change to snow, and that snow is expected to impact the PM commute. Why don't you go check out UDOT for some of their road forecasts and impact graphics. This accumulating snow that we're expected to see is going to be significant north of roughly Provo for both the valleys and the mountains. And with this snow, watch for an increase in avalanche danger in the mountains. And go check out the Utah Avalanche Forecast Center for their forecasts. Some good news is that the storm, like I said, will clear out valley inversions, resulting in improved air quality. And go check out the DEQ for that. So what is freezing rain? Freezing rain occurs when snow falls from cold clouds above the surface. This snow then moves into a relatively warm layer of air above the valleys and melts, becoming rain. Due to the inversions over the past several days, a cold layer persists across the valleys of northern Utah. This cold layer is relatively shallow, so the rain is unable to refreeze before reaching the surface. Many surfaces will be below freezing due to the cold temperatures over the past few days, and as the rain hits these cold surfaces, it then freezes again and begins to accumulate as ice. The most prone surfaces include roads, trees, power lines, and bridges. That's what it is, so where are we expecting it? The areas highlighted in orange are those most likely to see freezing rain late tonight into tomorrow morning. The most prone are the lowest valley areas near the Great Salt Lake, Utah Lake, and possibly the Heber Valley. I-80 from Grantsville to Salt Lake City, I-15 and the Legacy Parkway north from Salt Lake City to Farmington will be the most prone to see impact to travel. The cache in the northern front should see mostly snow with some rain mixing into some of the benches of the Salt Lake and Utah valleys, though freezing rain is possible for all those areas indicated in yellow. Timing and amounts. The precipitation is expected to begin along the Wasatch Front around midnight, with some freezing rain in rain valleys, mixed rain and snow mid-elevations in the northern front and cache valleys, and all snow in the mountains. This mixed precipitation is expected to change to all snow mid to late morning tomorrow, with significant accumulations expected for both the valleys and the mountains, generally Provo and points north. Bottom line, we have three takeaways with this storm, and we hope you get this from the briefing. First, plan on leaving early tomorrow and expect slick and icy conditions across the metro area, so again, a difficult morning commute across the metro. Second, plan on snow lingering into the evening commute, impacting that as well. But third, and the best news, valley inversions are expected to break up after the storm, bringing cleaner air to the lower valley areas. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to send us an email. You can also like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter. Have a good night.